It's up to you, New York, New York, New York.
50. I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I get it. Yeah. I took quarter water, sold it in bottles for $2. And Coca-Cola came and bought it for beans. What the fuck? Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire, I write the check before the baby comes. Who the fuck cares? I'm stanky rich. I'ma die trying to spend this shit. Southside's up in this bitch. Yeah, I smell like the Vogue. I used to sell dope. I did play the block, now I play on boats. In the south of France, baby. Sandro Pay, get a tan, I'm already black. Rich, I'm already that. Gangster, get a gag. Hit a head in the hat. Call that a little rap. Shit, fuck the chit chat. The baker, I bake the bread. The barber, I cut your head. The marksman, I spray the lead. I blood clot, chop your leg. Not fuck with the kid. I get biz with the cig, I can where you live. You dig? I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. You can call this my new shit, but it ain't new though. I got rid of my old bitch, now I got new hoes. First it was the Benzo, now I'm in the Enzo. Ferrari, I'm sorry, I keep blowing up. They call me the cake man, the strawberry shake man. I spray the AR, make your whole clique break dance. Backspin, head spin, flatline, you're dead then. 9 shells, matching. Who wanna get it crackin'? I was young, I couldn't do good. Now I can't do bad. I ride back the new Jag, I just bought a new Jag. Now nigga, why you mad? Oh, you can't do that? I'm so forgetful. They calling me cocky. I come about the jeweler, they calling me Rocky. It's the ice on my neck, man, the wrist in my left hand. Bling like blow, you like my style. I'm headed to the bank right now. I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. And I walk the walk like a Teflon Don, boy, I run New York. When I come out of court, yeah, I pop the car. I keep it gangsta, y'all line the chalk. I get it. And the hood is gangsta, don't